Hello everybody, this is Lance here at Transwest Truck Trailer RV located in Belton, Missouri. Today I'm really excited to bring you this beautiful 2014, it is a Fleetwood Excursion 35B model. What makes this coach a really nice coach, all you folks out there that are going to these national parks or you're trying to get into some tighter spaces, just a great coach. And you're going to notice too that this coach is going to have a mid door rather than a front. What makes that nice is these two seats here are actually in line with each other. So typically in a diesel pusher you'll have a front door which moves the passenger seat a little bit more back, so as the person is driving they're usually having to go like this to talk to their significant other. So it's just kind of nice to be able to when you're making the head check to your passenger, they're really conveniently located, just like if you were sitting in your normal automobile. But a couple of the other nice features that I really like about this coach, one, we're sitting on a Freightliner chassis. It does have that 300 Cummins diesel motor in it. So, and I think we're only weighing in right approximately 22,000 pounds. So really super lightweight coach. And I do like this, the way that they developed this. So what they did is they've actually put this armrest part of it here with all these buttons at about a 45-degree angle. So it makes it really nice. I don't have to go, it's not too hard for me to just glance over and see where all my buttons are at. I do have a couple of nice cup holder locations here. Got my coffee, my water all set up. And then just over the steering wheel, let's take a peek at that. You can see that we have a suspension button here. So what we can do is when we do get to our location or we go to a gas station, we can actually drop this coach and lower those steps lower to the ground, and that makes it quite nice for getting in and out of the coach. It does have the tilt, right, and it also has the telescoping, so you can bring the steering wheel kind of where you want it. Really super convenient. I do like the fact that we have the dual monitor here. You do have a power blind, so if you need to, you can raise or lower that by the push of a button. We do have the engine on right now, so this coach right now currently has 40,241 miles on it, and I believe we're about just under, well, about 134 hours on the generator. So folks, this coach is just getting started. As you can see, we got a lot of really nice space in here. Let's just show you how easy this thing is to turn around. I mean, no effort whatsoever, really easy. You've got yourself a nice little cup holder here. Now this coach is great for all you folks out there who are maybe thinking about full timing, or anybody who loves to go out there and tailgate. Beautiful coach, nice short coach for all you tailgaters, but a great place for everybody to kind of sit and hang out. You got this beautiful L-shaped couch. You got a recliner here, and one of the most unique features that I really just love about this coach is this counter space, right? This is something that you really just don't see. I've been doing this for many years, and I just love all this extra counter space. So if you want to sit here, visit with friends, great place to have your food, your drinks, great place to just entertain. So as we come through here, you're going to see that we got a little extension here too for added space. So multiple places where you can kind of set up food. And as we come into here, this is something that you normally don't see. You don't see the east-west refrigerator. It's usually north-south position, but you've got a nice Whirlpool refrigerator. You got your ice maker in there. Just a really nice setup. You got your convection microwave oven. Yeah, it just seems to flow and function quite nicely. You do have a nice pull-out pantry here. A little bit easier to get from this side, but yeah, a lot of extra storage space in there. Lots and lots of storage. All right. Okay, so we're just gonna touch base real quick. So this coach is actually really nice. You can sleep up to about 6 people pretty comfortably. This is actually gonna make into a nice bed. Now there are gonna be a couple seat belts here, so if you're bringing some kiddos or just some friends with you, you can do that. That'll lay flat. Then you got some nice over the head storage here. Let's go ahead and bring that down. lights off. And this platform up here is actually quite large. It's really nice. And one of the other things that I like is just how low this platform will actually come down. A lot of these stop pretty high, but I mean, this comes so low you can just about crawl right into it, just how low it is. I like how the lights turn on automatically. You do got the cargo netting there, so you can keep items like phones and personal belongings from falling into the cracks when you get all set up, but just a really nice sleeping area. All right, guys, well, that does it for this part of it. Let's go ahead and head back to see the rest of the coach. One of the things that I really liked about this, let me just raise these up. It's kind of dark and gloomy out right now. It's been raining all day, but I really like this. It just allows a lot of nice natural light to come into the coach. So even though you're coming into this hallway, it's quite well lit up. All right, you can see this nice piano hinge here in the door. That just saves you from having to have the door be offset. These RVs like to bounce and rattle and roll, so things can kind of get cattywampus over time. But as you can see here, beautiful bathroom. And this shower is actually quite huge. So I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate this. I'm about 6'1" with my shoes, 260 pounds on my lighter days. So a lot of room in here. You're gonna notice here at the bottom of the shower pan, there are no seams here. So this is a seamless shower. So great, you don't have to worry about water leaks over time. And then one of the other features that I like here too, just practical and functional, just a place to hang a robe, maybe some towels, a little extra storage overhead. And I really do like the fact that they've actually got some really nice touches here, like the soft touch vinyl ceiling. All right, so coming into the bedroom, you're gonna see that we do have the ability to put a washer dryer in here, so or storage, but it'd be a combo unit if that's what you desire. You got this really nice hanging closet area. Got some nice drawers here as well down below. Let's take a peek inside this thing. So really nice big space there for hanging your clothes. Got your queen bed. Got some nice overhead storage there as well. And then just at the foot of the bed here, you can see that they do got some nice finishing touches here, like with this chair rail, and you got your TV. All right, guys, well, that does it for this beautiful 2014 Excursion. I sure would love to help you if you guys have any questions. Again, my name is Lance with Transwest Truck Trailer RV, and my number is 208-290-5750. If you have any questions, give me a holler. I sure would love to help you. We look forward to helping you.